So you already got Oracle's flush mount taillights for your Jeep Gladiator JT. But what if you want something a little more? What are you supposed to do then? Well, how about adding the Oracle Lighting Racetrack style flush mount LED tailgate panel light? Oh yeah, that'll do it. Designed with inspiration from the Mopar Racetrack taillight you've seen on the Dodge Charger and Durango, this innovative product from Oracle Lighting brings that bold look to the Gladiator. And it's not just about looks either. With the integrated LED parking light and brake light and turn signals, you're getting a whole lot of style with all that function. Oh, and you're gonna love this. The hazard lights have that same dynamic motion effect. This thing is seriously cool. Built tough with durable polycarbonate construction, it's designed to handle whatever the road or trail throws at it. And it's super easy to install, no complicated wiring needed. Just a simple plug and play with a 4-pin connector, so you'll be up and running in no time at all. And this tailgate panel light is compatible with the Jeep JT flush mount tail lights and works seamlessly with both the base and LED models. So you're just a few steps away from giving your Jeep a custom and badass look. Whether you're driving around town or hitting the trail, the Oracle Lighting Racetrack Flush Style LED Tailgate Panel Light is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. But trust me, you're gonna want it. So if you want to set your Jeep Gladiator apart from the rest of the crowd, the Oracle Lighting Racetrack Style Flush Mount LED Tailgate Panel Light is the perfect mod for you. Check it out at oraclelights.com.